Alright students, now let's see the last part, that is salts. What are salts? Salts are the compound which is containing, which when dissociated it forms positive ion but it is not H plus ion, and it dissociates into negative ion but it is not OH minus ion. Okay, so the salt when dissociate, it dissociates into ions but the positive ion is not H plus and negative ion is not OH minus. Alright, these are the salts. These are called the salts. Now the types of salts: normal salt, acidic salt and basic salt. What are normal salts? Normal salts are formed by the reaction of strong acid and strong base. For example, NaOH is a strong acid and HCl is a strong base. Form NaCl plus H2O. Similar examples we can take Na2SO4, NaNO3, similarly K2SO4, KNO3, etc. etc. So strong acid and strong base I have already taken in video number 1, where you can identify the examples of strong acid and strong base, and if you react that to whatever product is formed, that salt is called as normal salt. Now let's take about acidic salt and basic salt. Here the acidic salt and basic salt are described on the basis of two types of reaction. First is reaction of strong acid and weak base. Strong acid, say for example I am taking it as HCl, and weak base I am taking NH4OH. So when it forms NH4Cl plus H2O. This is salt formed from weak base and strong acid. So positive part will be weaker, negative part will be stronger. That means it is a salt of strong acid, weak base. Similarly, if I say CuCl2 plus H2SO4, so, or CuO, sorry, if I take CuO plus H2SO4, weak base, strong acid, forms CuSO4. So it is a salt of a weak base and strong acid. So it is an acidic salt. Now, second type is by partial displacement of H plus ion. This occurs when it is not a monobasic acid. That means it is either dibasic, tribasic acid. So for example, if I take H2SO4, which is dibasic acid, alright. Now if I react this with the base, say for example CuO, and if it is forming CuHSO4, CuHSO4, and this will be twice. So I have to use 2 molecules H2SO4 and I will be having H2O. Now if you see carefully, here there is still one more hydrogen atom present which is replaceable. So that means that now this compound can act as an acidic salt. Another best example is you can use NaCl plus H2SO4. Now if temperature is low, below 200 degrees Celsius, it forms NaHSO4. That means, if you see carefully, that means this is H2O, sorry. This means this is containing a hydrogen which can be replaceable. It means it is an acidic salt. That is an acidic salt. The last part we are looking at, that is basic salt.